Hey, you just caught me in the middle of editing another Great Racer Cinema Productions video. Before we start the video, I'd like to remind everyone of what I had been through in the last couple of days. You see, like, my parents got upset that I filmed a video in their house because, well, they might be afraid of stealing things. Yeah. So if you ever film a video in your parents' house, do not film it in anywhere aside from a few rooms. You have to ask permission to do it, because, well, people are scared of a lot of things nowadays. And that's the nature of the beast. And I brought this up because, like, I filmed my day in the life of the Otaku Bandito video, and my parents got upset that, well, that I'm filming a video in my own property. Well, if I had my own house, this wouldn't be a problem, aside from neighbors and house payments. But yeah, something to watch out if you're still living in your parents' house. Also, I did that day in the life of the Otaku Bandito video not to encourage thieves to steal things or anything like that. I made that video to follow popular trends on YouTube, and one of the popular trends on YouTube was a day in the life videos. Yeah, a day in the life of blank videos are one of the most popular trends on YouTube now, and they're some of the biggest videos on YouTube right now. So yeah, that's why I did that, to follow trends. So yeah, you might be saying, well, you're basically following trends now. What's so special about that? Well, every YouTuber has to follow a trend. And I might do some tier maker videos soon, and those videos don't require me to film in my other parts of my parents' house because they're property and whatnot. Yeah, it's their own private property, and people get scared that they're gonna steal things because people on the internet, well, yeah, you don't know what they could be. But yeah, something to keep in mind, okay? So yeah, do not steal things in my house. Do not go into my house, and do not try to go to my house, because I will not be posting my street address in the video. Yeah, don't steal, don't do anything bad like that, and have fun. That's what I ask. Yeah, that's my advice. And if you try to steal, well, you'll probably get in contact with the police, and even if you did try to attempt it, well, there's a high chance that you probably live in the States or something, and it would take a lot of fuel. So yeah, don't steal. Don't steal anything out of our house. That's what I'm trying to keep in mind, yeah. And don't film videos in other parts of your parents' house, because your parents might be naive and scared and whatnot. So yeah, always watch out for what you do on the internet. That's my advice for today, and let's move on to the video. Well, hello again. Alright, so yeah, this year is going to be a special. I'm actually going to do a multi-part video on LEGO Opitmus Prime. Yep, it's finally here. After years of waiting, we finally got a LEGO Transformer, not Creo or anything. LEGO. Yeah, not Creo, not Built to Rule, not whatever. Lego. Actual Lego. Man, it's been years, but yeah, we finally got there, and it will be a great time too because there's a new Transformers movie coming out. Transformers Rise of the Beasts. So yeah, it will be a perfect time to make this Lego set because Transformers is coming out, and well, a new Transformers movie is coming out, and it's gonna be great for Transformers. Let's get this bugger open. Yeah, there's a lot of bags in there. See, look. Yeah, and it even has a separate foldable thing for the own instruction set. So yeah. Well, be back. Action. Alright, so the instruction manual comes with this cardboard envelope thingy. As opposed to the Batwing, which the instruction manual comes with a plastic bag. And of course, you open it up like this. Yeah. And look. Instruction manual is really cool. Even has the Autobot logo on the back and half the Autobot symbol on the front. Yeah, and even goes into the history of Transformers, original Generation 1 cartoon. It even has tech specs and all sorts of illustrations. Nice bonus. Yeah, and the design team. Yeah, that's the designer of this thing. Yeah, from the LEGO design team. Yeah, and it comes with a brick separator as well, but we already got a bajillion of them. Yeah, seriously, like, I think this is the one that I got from another set. Alright, so we're going to be doing the first bag, and really unique instruction manual. That is always a start. Let's say I put something weighty on the page, like the ice cream truck. This is cool, man! LEGO Opitmus Prime. For years, we have waited. This is worth the wait. And I like the fact that they're going back to G1 basics. That is so cool. Yeah. Yeah, well, I don't usually keep the boxes for sets. I'm definitely going to keep this one along with the Costco exclusive 3-in-1 pack. Okay, let's see where where did the... Yeah, because that packaging, Costco exclusive one, might have some value in the future. Because it's a Costco exclusive, it's a store exclusive, although it's no different from a usual. They gave you 2 brick separators. That is cool. I have a whole freaking collection of brick separators. Just in case you make a mistake, there you go. Got a brick separator. I've never been blessed before to make an awesome set, and this is going to be the longest Let's Build series yet. The longest. Most ambitious, because I don't usually do Let's Builds on really big sets. I only do the reviews, but this one is an exception. I'm going to do the Let's Build, and then I'm going to review the set. Because I feel that this set deserves it. It definitely deserves it. Yeah, and the first video is going to take place here. Whereas the rest of the series is going to take place in my own building room. Yeah, the older LEGO building room. Yeah. If LEGO made a Nerf gun that fires, say, actual Nerf darts, that would be awesome. Yeah, LEGO's got to really get on that. LEGO Nerf gun. Yeah, make the LEGO Maverick. LEGO everything. Alright, so yeah. The most popular, one of the most popular things in the 80s. Now we gotta see if we get a LEGO Thundercats set. Yeah, who knows? It might get, say, a LEGO Optimus Primal as well. Because Beast Wars is having a popularity resurgence. Yeah, because of the 90s nostalgia. And I can tell that Optimus Prime, the LEGO Optimus Prime, it's gonna be cool. Alright, let's see, where did it go? Goes there. Alright, so got it in the correct manner. Yeah, it's supposed to be built like that. And because of that, we got built right. Although we have to be careful because it might come loose. Alright. Let's get it in there. Yeah. Yeah, that piece flung out. Yeah, now we're able to put those pieces on. What the? Found it. Yeah, it likes to hide, doesn't it? Alright, we got that done. Now let's say, alright. Yeah, it's kind of a pain in the rectum to get this piece situated in the middle. Aside from that, you have to have like 2 other pieces to be in it. It says energon is the primary commodity for transformers as society. It can be used for food, energy, and currency. Yeah, it gives you a random facts of info, which is kind of neat. Because this set does need it, since it is a special set. Look at that. Yeah, I maxed out the well, I'm back. And with a cat that's trying to frustrate me while I build this set. Yeah, so basically I put it on the there. Yeah, I have to get her away. She's, I don't even know what she wants, but she is rather annoying. Yeah. Yeah, just look at her like... Yeah. She had to photobomb my video. And no, she does not like to be picked up. Yeah. Thankfully, I'll be in the second room soon, so that cat troubles can be left aside. Yeah, this set is supposed to transform. Which means it has potential. Yeah, that's why I got it, because I was excited about it. When I heard that it's going to transform without, needing any disassembly. Yeah, it's going to transform, no disassembly required. That's why I got excited about this set, because in the past we had these built-to-rule sets that had a transforming feature, but you had to still do some parts forming. And even the Creo sets aren't perfect as good as they are. Because, like, you had to disassemble and reassemble it, which could get very, very tiring. Yeah, it's a pain in the rectum to disassemble and reassemble the Creo sets, and of course, not only that, they tried their hands on transforming sets, but even though they couldn't fall apart, I mean, could barely stay together. So yeah, Creo sets aren't perfect. So we finally got a real LEGO Optimus Prime. And that is what I asked for. That's all I asked for. Yeah, that's the first part built. Yeah, it's part of the chest. So part 2 will focus on the second bag. So yeah. See you guys next time, and till all are one. Batman's arch nemesis is the Joker, but my arch nemesis is the YouTube algorithm. Smaller channels are being attacked and put at risk because of the viewer-based algorithm that YouTube has. And yes, the Racer Simmer Productions YouTube channel will be needing every ounce of support from you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see when new Racer Simmer Productions videos are being posted. And together, we can help defeat the algorithm and drive it away from the Racer Simmer Productions YouTube channel. And yes, every subscriber count matters, because it means you are really awesome and you support me through the difficult time on being on YouTube. Yeah, it means you really support me during these difficult times. Anyways, I'll catch you guys next time.